Broadcasting in high definition, Channel 11 News starts with severe weather Team 11 coverage.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for being with us. Pittsburgh bracing for a wintry mix. This kind of weather is what is headed our way. Parts of our area are under a winter storm warning.
And Peggy, we will see it all. Rain, freezing rain, sleet and snow. A few degrees will make a big difference in this. The temperature will be right around freezing, and a few degrees lower, the snow could pile up. A few degrees higher, and that could turn to rain. Our chief meteorologist, Mike LaPointe, has an updated forecast now from Severe Weather Center 11. Mike?
And you guys are absolutely right. Very tough forecast right now. A few degrees here or there will definitely determine on what we're going to see. Our winter storm watch now has been replaced, upgraded for some folks, to a winter storm warning. Take a look at the latest with live digital Doppler 11 radar. Winter storm warning from midnight through most of the day tomorrow. Areas north, east, and almost south of Pittsburgh. But here in Allegheny County, Beaver County, and Washington County, it's been downgraded to a winter weather advisory as we hit the midnight hour. Right now, all is quiet across all areas. Skies are partly to mostly cloudy. It is 32 degrees in Wheeling, 29 in Indiana, 32 in the Rockwood area. But take a look out to the west and to the south. There is our storm system. Just heavy amounts of snow falling in Illinois as well as Missouri. Out ahead of it, showers, a few thunderstorms, and some heavy rainfall from Louisville over toward Charleston. Right now, it's tracking to the north and to the east. It's about 7 hours away from that leading edge, pushing into western Pennsylvania. That'll put it in here sometime shortly after midnight, and at midnight, temperatures will be below freezing. So freezing rain will be a big problem. We'll let you know what you can expect hour by hour coming up in a few minutes from Severe Weather Center 11.
Okay, Mike, thanks very much. As we track this wintry mix, tune into Channel 11 News for the latest, and that is on our morning show. There we'll have the traffic information, school closings and delays. We'll have it all starting tomorrow, 5 a.m.
Severe Weather Team 11 forecast in high definition.
Well, I hope you're having a pleasant Thursday. Skies are becoming mostly cloudy across most areas. The rainfall is still a good distance away. This rainfall, though, is going to run into some very cold air. We could see some freezing rain as early as 1 o'clock here in parts of western Pennsylvania. Right now on live digital Doppler 11 radar, close-up of Allegheny County shows the skies are cloudy and temperatures, well, a little bit below freezing. It is 29 degrees right now in the Fox Ridge area. You can see it down toward Patton, 31. Smithville checks in with 31. Greensburg, your current temperature right at 30. I want to pull out just a little bit to show you what's moving in our direction. We've got a wave of moisture beginning to move into parts of southwest Pennsylvania. The only problem is the air is extremely dry. So dew point temperatures right now are in the single digits. I've just checked hourly observations to our south and to our west. Nothing's reaching the ground. Over toward Zanesville, nothing's reaching the ground. This little batch is beginning to reach. So it's going to take a while before our air gets saturated and it actually starts to hit the ground. And right now, ETA looks like sometime after midnight. But you know what? Temperatures after midnight will be below 32 degrees. So that means some problems with some freezing rain. Right now, mostly cloudy conditions at the airport. 29 degrees the temperature. There's that very low dew point temperature at 8. Northeast winds at 8 miles an hour. So here's the forecast now. If you are doing some planning, plan ahead because it's going to be a messy situation tomorrow morning. Take a look at our Pittsburgh forecast. We'll start it off by letting you know that we are expecting freezing rain to start to be pushing into the area after 1 o'clock. Temperature 30 degrees by 4 o'clock in the morning. Still below freezing. Still looking at some icy accumulation in some places. As much as a quarter of an inch can't be ruled out right now. By 7 o'clock in the morning, 34 degrees. So our freezing rain changes over to just plain old rain, and that'll be the story for most of the day. Now, take you to Butler, where it's going to be below freezing at 1 o'clock in the morning. Freezing rain. Freezing rain continues by 4 o'clock in the morning at 28 degrees, and then by 7 o'clock in the morning, 31 degrees. So it's going to be a little bit longer, prolonged period of freezing rain in Butler County. And then in Clarion, well, we're going to see not only some freezing rain, but we'll see some sleet and some snow. So kind of a mixed bag up toward Clarion. 1 o'clock in the morning, 24 degrees, 26 at 4 in the morning, and by 7 o'clock, still a wintry mix, still some icy conditions, and freezing rain, 29 degrees by 7. As for that snowfall, most of the snowfall that we'll see will be north of Pittsburgh, north of Interstate 80, where some areas could pick up a couple of inches, also over toward the Laurel Highlands, but it's just going to be enough to keep those roads very, very slippery. So here's the forecast. Tonight, a wintry mix after midnight, sleet and freezing rain, 29 degrees will be the low temperature, and then tomorrow morning, freezing rain, changing to rain after 7, 8 o'clock, especially around the Pittsburgh area over toward Greensburg. If you're going to be up around Interstate 80 and over toward the mountains, wintry mix until early in the afternoon. 42 degrees will be the high temperature. The forecast looking ahead, look at this. It doesn't look too bad over the weekend. Temperature partly to mostly cloudy with temperatures in the 40s. Monday and Tuesday, we'll see rain and temperatures as warm as 54 degrees. Your 10-day extended forecast keeps it right back down into the 30s with a few hit-and-miss snow showers along the way. Also looking at temperatures in the 20s. That is the latest from Severe Weather Center 11.